Hi everyone, in this video I'll be restoring the cracked center console radio bezel of my C5 Corvette. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So in the last few videos, you saw me working on this armrest lid and cup holder, and today we'll be working on the radio bezel. 2 out of 3 holes that hold the bezel in place are basically destroyed. In other words, the holes are so big, when you put the screw in, it goes through the bezel and right into the center console frame of the car, and it's not holding anything. The one by the ignition basically doesn't exist at all. There is also a post cut off or snapped in half, but I have the other half, so I'm in luck. So the first thing I will do is clean the whole unit and use a degreaser. In this case, Simple Green. Once this is done, I started to create a backplate for the areas I did not want the plastic to drip through. It is my form, if you will. Once I got a layer or 2 in, off camera, I glued this post back on about halfway up the stem. Luckily I had the piece. The one area that is not existent, I have to build up in stages. But what makes it worse is the plane of this area is not the same as the rest of the unit, so there's not much to attach to. As I work on this area and it is dry enough to not move from gravity, I change to another area and start working to be more efficient. Now I'm making the hole, which is behind the ashtray. I do this in a 3-step process like before, with a pilot hole and then 2 bigger sizes. Now there is a minor crack in this console, but there is no material missing besides an area you can't see when installed. I'm going to fill that out anyways, so I'm putting it together and sealing it from the back side. While that dries, I added a washer for steel reinforcement of the ignition area. I am building it up with plastic so it is surrounded and held in by plastic. Once everything is cured, I went back out to the garage to use a Dremel to start shaving any extra plastic lingering around. First up was the cup holder, then the radio bezel where that chunk was missing by the active handling switch. Stay tuned for the final assembly of the parts and painting of the interior by a professional. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below and have a great day.